Hello students. Next example, find particular solution of the recurrence relation an minus 4an minus 2 equal to 3n. Here degree of given recurrence relation is given an minus 4an minus 2 equal to 3n. Here previous terms only an minus 2, but we know that an minus 2 means an minus 1 also possible. That's why here degree of recurrence relation is 2. Previous terms are nothing but the an minus 1, an minus 2, because an, next previous term an minus 1, next previous term an minus 2. So degree of recurrence relation is 2. Characteristic equation is alpha raised to k minus 4 alpha raised to k minus 2 equal to 0, because first we consider homogeneous equation. For homogeneous equation, characteristic equation is alpha raised to k minus 4 alpha raised to k minus 2 equal to 0. Put k equal to 2 in this equation, we get alpha square minus 4 equal to 0, which implies alpha square equal to 4 means take square root on both sides, we get alpha equal to plus minus 2. So particular solution an raised to p equal to, now check the table. Here f of n equal to 3n means it is in the linear form. So particular solution is, here roots are nothing but the plus minus 2, means 1 is not root. So particular solution is in the form of p0 plus p1r. Here variable is n, so particular solution is p0 plus p1 into n. Now calculate an minus 2, we get p0 plus p1 into n minus 2, which is equal to p0 plus p1n minus 2p1. So equation 1 becomes equation 1, which equation an minus 4an minus 2 equal to 3n becomes an is p0 plus p1n minus 4an minus 2 is p0 plus p1n minus 2p1 equal to 3n, which implies p0 plus p1n minus 4p0 minus 4p1n plus 8p1 equal to 3n, which implies p0 minus 4p0 is minus 3p0, p1n minus 4p1n is minus 3p1n plus 8p1 equal to 3n, which implies minus 3p0 plus 8p1 minus 3p1n equal to 3n. Comparing the coefficients of constant and n, here constant term is minus 3p0 plus 8p1, here constant term is not, so equal to 0, and coefficient of n is here 3, here minus 3p1. So comparing the coefficient, we get minus 3p0 plus 8p1 equal to 0 minus 3p1 equal to 3 by comparing the above equations, which implies p1 equal to 3 upon minus 3 equal to minus 1. Now put p1 equal to minus 1 in equation minus 3p0 plus 8p1 equal to 0. We get minus 3p0 plus 8 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 3p0 minus 8 equal to 0, which implies minus 3p0 equal to 8, implies p0 equal to minus 8 upon 3. Therefore particular solution an raised to p equal to p0 plus p1n is p0 is minus 8 upon 3 plus p1 is minus 1 into n, which is equal to minus 8 upon 3 minus n. particular solution. Next example, solve AR minus 1 minus 6 AR minus 2 equal to minus 30. Given initial conditions are A0 equal to 20 and A1 equal to minus 5. Given recurrence relation is AR minus 1 minus 6 AR minus 2 equal to minus 30 with initial conditions A0 equal to 20, A1 equal to minus 5. First consider homogeneous recurrence relation AR minus 1 minus 6 AR minus 2 equal to 0. Now degree of recurrence relation is 2 because previous terms are AR minus 1, AR minus 2. Characteristic equation is alpha raised to k minus alpha raised to k minus 1 minus 6 alpha raised to k minus 2 equal to 0. Now put k equal to 2 in this equation, we get alpha square minus alpha minus 6 equal to 0, which implies alpha minus 3 alpha plus 2 equal to 0, implies alpha equal to 3 and minus 2. So homogeneous solution is, because here solve recurrence relation given means total solution equal to homogeneous solution plus particular solution. That's why here we write homogeneous solution first. Homogeneous solution equal to C0 3 raised to r plus C2 minus 2 raised to r. Now to find particular solution, here f of r equal to minus 30 means constant, f of r in the form of constant. Also characteristic roots are 3 minus 2 means 1 is not root, so particular solution is only P0. So AR is to P equal to P0. Since f of r equal to minus 30, which is nothing but the constant. Now AR minus 1, AR minus 2, AR minus 1 P0, AR minus 2 P0, because P0 is constant, so there is no change in AR minus 1, AR minus 2 in P0. So recurrence relation AR minus 1 minus 6 AR minus 2 equal to minus 30 becomes AR equal to P0 minus AR minus 1 P0 minus 6 AR minus 2 P0 equal to minus 30, which implies P0 minus P0 get cancelled, minus 6 P0 equal to minus 30, implies P0 equal to 5, 30 minus 30 upon minus 6, 5. Now total solution AR equal to homogeneous solution plus particular solution equal to AR raised to H is C0 3 raised to R plus C2 minus 2 raised to R plus particular solution is 5, means total solution equal to C0 3 raised to R plus C1 minus 2 raised to R plus 5. Now to find value of constant using initial conditions. Initial conditions are A0 equal to minus 20 and A1 equal to minus 5. So put r equal to 0 in this equation, we get A0 equal to C0 3 raised to 0 plus C1 minus 2 raised to 0 plus 5. C0 3 raised to 0 1 plus C1 minus 2 raised to 0 1 plus 5. A0 is minus 20, which implies C0 plus C1 equal to minus 20. Sorry, plus 20. Given condition A0 equal to plus 20. C0 plus C1 equal to 20 minus 5, 15. Now put r equal to 1 in this equation, we get A1 equal to C0 3 raised to 1 plus C1 minus 2 raised to 1 plus 5 equal to 3 C0 minus 2 C1 plus 5. A1 is minus 5, which implies 3c naught minus 2c1 equal to minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. So we get here equation c naught plus c1 equal to 15. 3c naught minus 2c1 equal to minus 10. Multiply first equation by 2. We get 2c naught plus 2c1 equal to 30. 3c naught minus 2c1 equal to minus 10. Add these two equations, we get 5c naught. 2c1 minus 2c1 get cancelled, equal to 30 minus 10, 20. C naught equal to 4. Put C naught equal to 4 in C naught plus C1 equal to 15. We get C1 equal to 15 minus C naught equal to 15 minus 4 equal to 11. So C1 equal to 11. Therefore, total solution equal to AR equal to AR is C naught 3 raised to R plus C1 minus 2 raised to R plus 5. AR equal to C naught is 4 3 raised to R plus C1 is 11 minus 2 raised to R plus 5. This is nothing but the total solution of given recurrence relation. Here we stop.